Once you have entered your activation code and fully installed your software onto your phone, there are a few things that you will need to do in order to allow you to use our software to its full capacity. Please take note that there are two ways to configure or take control of the software without touching the target phone. Number one is using what we call text message commands. Now, text message commands are sent from the monitor phone to the target phone. When these commands are sent, they will trigger an event or switch on or switch off particular functions of our software. When these text messages are sent, the target phone does not pick them up, so in other words, they are invisible to the target phone and covertly control or configure functions of our software. Again, please note that the majority of the information, for example, call logs, text messages and such like, are sent to your web account as soon as the software is activated on the target phone. You can also set up the software by logging onto your dashboard and going to the Control Center tab. From here you can send commands to our software which either set up certain functions or switch functions on or off without having to touch the target phone. Please take note, however, that there are only two differences between using text message commands and using the Control Center commands on your dashboard. The first is around text message commands, and these commands basically trigger events and functions immediately. For example, if you want to activate the intercept call function, a text message command will be sent to the target phone and the command will be switched on, immediately enabling you to intercept calls. However, if this command is set up from the dashboard control center, this being the second difference, it will take up to 60 minutes to be activated. This function only has to be set up once, and as soon as it is activated, all calls can be freely intercepted as many times as you want. If, however, you send a text message command and it is typed incorrectly, please be aware that this message will be visible on the target phone. All text message commands on the BlackBerry are visible to the target phone when sent. However, if commands are sent from the dashboard, they cannot be seen on the BlackBerry handset. For any more information and examples on how to configure your software, refer to your configuration manual, which you can see on this page.